Guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Helen Konko as usual. You know. So guess who we have here? We have media. We have Ebob in the house, guys. So today I'm at Abakaliki International Market, about to film the place, and I want to join him to fly his drone. I want to see how he does it. So guys, I'm going to capture him today for you guys live. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to capture his filming today live for you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. So we are coming in from the back today. This is where they grind. This is a meat house, yellow house of course. And then these in the blue house they sell for accessories and others. All these people that instead of standing on the way, they just made somewhere for them to cover up. That's in the blue house. While over there is an orange house. Oh no, not orange house, pink house. All these are lots 4 and 5 area. So guys, just keep watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So in case you don't know Ebob, he's a YouTuber and he does a lot of content in Nigeria and Africa. Okay, so please check him out and then subscribe to his channel and also support him. His link will be in my description box, guys. Okay, so I came here to meet him so we can film intro so you guys can meet him too. This is ZV1.
Okay.
This is ZV1.
Okay, awesome.
Guys, this is you will introduce yourself by yourself.
Oh, I thought you want to introduce me.
I don't want to introduce you.
This is Ebob on YouTube. Thank you guys. I'm very happy to be with Helen today. Today I'm in her city, Abakaliki, and she has been doing me a very, she has been taking care of me here and all that kind of good stuff.
Are you sure? That's but guys, we hope you enjoyed this video anyway.
Right, so stay tuned, don't click out, keep watching to the very end, okay? That way it shows that you support what we are doing. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time I visit Abakaliki, and next time I'm with Helen.
That's his logo. of the building. Okay, let's go through here so that you guys can see how it is. The good thing about the international market is the drive-by, as in you can just drive by and buy whatever you want to buy across shops, especially this lot 1, because lots 2 and 3 is not really like that. You just have certain parking space, you can't drive by past shops like that. So that's the beautiful thing about the lot 1, and I really hope that in future one will I think that one might not even be able to just drive by like this and pass, because the whole place might be in clusters. Who knows, maybe when the airport is ready. Just keep watching, guys. So with this bridge, we are crossing over. The other side is where I came from when I was coming, which is the lots 4 and 5. Okay, but we are not going to be going towards that side. Okay, let us go towards that side first and see how that side is. Then I'll come back, pass through this side, and then head over to lot 2 and 3 for you guys to see how it is. Okay, guys. Was coming in, I was video. So by that time, so many people have come out from the market. They've started selling along the roadside once it's like 4-5 p.m. okay, because many people will not even be entering inside the market to go and buy something. So that is why they do it, okay. So they are already out now, and that's when I'm making this video, guys. Just keep watching. So this side, by my right hand side, is lot 2, okay. This is how the shops is in lot 2, and then by my left hand side that I'm going to okay, this is lot 3. So these are the way the shops are, and I don't know why lot 3 and 2 is always busier than lot 1. Okay, if you know why, drop it in the comment section. That's if you're in Abakaliki. And this is how it is. This is where we are going to be ending this vlog. See you in our next video. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. Bye bye, love you guys. Thank you for watching Helene's Corner.